In just 1 hour, you can completely get rid of ants. You'll eliminate the entire ant nest without using any harmful chemicals. All you need are 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a lemon. It's the main ingredient in this trick. Then prepare some matches. They're the second key component. The lemon plays a crucial role here. Its juice and peel contain natural essential oils that are toxic to ants and disrupt their communication. Take the matches out of the box and stick them into the lemon, with the wooden ends going in and the sulfur tips pointing outward. Use at least a dozen. The more, the better. Let me explain how it works. Place the prepared lemon directly on the ant nest or wherever you often see ants. You'll notice the first results within minutes, and the problem will be gone after about an hour. The matches absorb the lemon juice, which triggers the sulfur to dissolve. This natural combination drives ants away effectively and keeps them from coming back. There's no need to spend money on expensive products. What you already have at home is enough. It's a cheap, safe, and effective way to deal with ants in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home.